Hello guys and welcome to another trains video. Today we're going to be videoing at Denaby level crossing. Right. Monday the 13th of March 2023 at 14:25. For the 14:30 Transpennine Express service from Liverpool Lime Street to Cleethorpes. Well, I thought I'd come here for a session before it all starts with industrial action tomorrow. I think it's a 4-day one as well. Right, now in our luck, we will also have the 31 Northern train service from Sheffield to Addick. But that's going to be a separate closure. Right, so we're also going to be remaining down for the 14:29 Northern train service from Scarborough to Sheffield. Northern train service from Scarborough to Sheffield. The Transpennine's just left Mexborough, so it should be here soon. It could be actually be a double pass this, because your Northern's just approaching Conisbourgh. You've got your Transpennine in between Mexborough and Conisbourgh, so it could be a double pass this. Could be. Yeah, firstly Transpennine. 185, 128. We're staying for your Northern. Right, so your next one is 1J47, Scarborough to Sheffield. I thought it were going to be a double pass, but it's not. Just passing each other now. Yeah, we should be up after this. We have got a freight train though shortly. Eden Road sidings to Masborough Station Yard. Here we are. Well, 7460. We should be up. We should be going up. So that's a no. Next is the 14:31 Northern train service from Sheffield to Addick. So I'm better off filming at this wigwag. Yeah, next is the Sheffield Addick, and we're going to be staying for a freight train as well. 6J94. Big closure. I doubt they're going to let us up. If we are, it'll be a quick lift. 2R36 is just in Mexborough station now. And there's a crappy 150 by the looks of it. Right, I think we're gonna be having your freight train first. So first we should have the 1431 Freightliner service from Hendon Road sidings to Mexborough Station Yard. We're gonna be having that first because it's just approaching Cadbury Loop. Service. Yeah, this is approaching Conisbourgh, so we're going to have him first. Followed by your Northern, because your Northern's in Mexborough. They might let us up.
Yeah. You know trains tomorrow, 16, 18, 30th and 1st, supposed to be on strike.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It starts with industrial action tomorrow.
Yeah, it's just how we're trying to get down up to Scarborough. I've been on it to my brother and they're saying, well, we can't see now, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But I need to get that train either from here to Doncaster and Doncaster to Scarborough.
Yeah, you might struggle.
Yeah, I might struggle tomorrow. But there's buses or something, he says.
Yeah, you might be able to get a bus.
Yeah, £2 is to try and get one to Leeds, and then from Leeds you can get one for £2 to Scarborough.
Right.
And I thought, well, I want to try that then.
Yeah, your freight train's just past Conisbourgh.
Yeah.
We should be having him first.
Right, sure. Yeah, this should be a long one, this.
Yeah, and then...
It's never down this long normally.
Isn't it?
No, normally you have one train, maybe two. This must be a tugger. You know what I mean? What's probably got like 30 carriages.
Probably.
Yeah.
I come here a lot though.
Yeah, you'll get loads, yeah. You'll get loads here, mate. You'll see loads.
2R36 has just left Mexborough.
Yeah.
It's going to be a close one.
Yeah, it is, huh?
I don't know whether we're going to be having him first or not. Here we are.
Here we are.
Here's your freight train.
Yeah.
Eden Road, sidings to Mexborough Station Yard. 120. And here's your Northern. Double pass. 152.11, there you go. Right, we should be up now. Right, thanks everybody. I'll see you next time.